Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. In the previous video we have learned what are adjectives and degrees of comparison. Now in this video we will do exercise. Page number 44, exercise number 8. Complete the table using the correct forms of the adjectives. Here table is given, so you have to complete the table. Adjective, compare two things and compare more than two things. Number 1, tall, T-A-L-L, tall. So we have to compare two things. So taller, T-A-L-L-E-R, taller. And compare more than two things. Tallest, T-A-L-L-E-S-T. Here we have to add EST. Number 2, kinder is given. Compare two things is given. K-I-N-D-E-R, kinder is given. We'll write here in the first dash kind, K-I-N-D, kind. And comparative degree is complete. Now we will do superlative degree. Compare more than two things. Kinder, kind, kinder, kindest, K-I-N-D-E-S-T, kindest. Number 3, beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Adjective is beautiful. Now in the second column we will write more beautiful, M-O-R-E, more, then spelling of beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, more beautiful. And in superlative degree, most beautiful, M-O-S-T, most, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, most beautiful. It is written there, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. 4 number, gentle, G-E-N-T-L-E, gentle. Gentler is given, G-E-N-T-L-E-R, gentler. And in the last column we will write gentlest, G-E-N-T-L-E-S-T, gentlest. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Number 5, intelligent, I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T, intelligent. More intelligent, we'll add here more. And the last column, most intelligent. We have done exercise A, now we are doing exercise B. All of you know that an adjective in the comparative form is always followed by than, right? Suppose it is comparison of two people, two things or two animals, than is used. Now exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjectives. Number 1, the highway is dash than the road that runs beside it. In bracket, long is given. What is given? Long. Here there is comparison of highway and road. दो का comparison है, तो हमको क्या ऐड करना होगा? ER. In the dash we will write here longer, L-O-N-G-E-R, longer. Number 2, the puppy is dash than the kitten. Here there is comparison of puppy and kitten. In the bracket it is given big. So we will add ER, and spelling of bigger is BIGGER. BIGGER, bigger. Number 3, it is dash inside the room, then it is outside. In the bracket, dark is given. Comparison of inside and outside, two things. So, we will write here darker, DARKER, darker. Number 4, this year winter is dash, then it was last year. In bracket, cold is given. So we will add here ER, colder, COLDER, colder. This year winter is colder than it was last year. इस साल विंटर जो है ज़्यादा कोल्डर है, बहुत ठंड है, लास्ट ईयर से ज़्यादा है. दो का कंपैरिजन है, दिस ईयर दैट ईयर, लास्ट ईयर. नंबर 5, दिस मैंगो आइसक्रीम टेस्ट इज डैश देन द पाइनएप्पल आइसक्रीम. अच्छा, एंड इन द ब्रैकेट इट इज गिवन गुड. गुड का क्या होता है? कंपेयरिंग टू थिंग्स एंड कंपेयरिंग मोर देन टू थिंग्स. गुड का क्या होता है? गुड, better, best. So second form is better. So we'll write here better, 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 better than mango ice cream and pineapple ice cream. Two ice creams here, comparison of two ice creams. So we will write here better. Kolwa beach is dash then Baga, clean, clean. Kolwa beach and Baga. So we'll add here ER, CLEAN. Then we'll add here ER, cleaner. Kolwa beach is cleaner than Baga. Number 7, the Duronto Express starts dash then the Rajdhani Express. In the bracket, word early is given. So here last letter is Y. So we will remove Y. Y को कट करेंगे और उसके आगे क्या ऐड कर देंगे? L के बाद IER, EAR, LIER, earlier. Comparison of two, Duronto Express and Rajdhani Express. Number 8, watermelons are dash than bananas. Here word expensive is given in the bracket. EXPENSIVE, expensive. So second form of expensive is more expensive. In the dash we will add more, then we will write spelling of expensive. MORE, more. EXPENSIVE, expensive, more expensive. Watermelons and bananas, two fruits, comparison of two fruits. So we will add here more. Watermelons are more expensive than bananas, right? Okay. Now in number 1, again I am saying longer, LONGER, longer. In the second blank, bigger, BIGGER, bigger. 3, third number, darker, DARKER. 4 number, colder, COLDER, colder. Number 5, better, BETTER. 6 number, cleaner, CLEANER, cleaner. 7 number, earlier, EARLIER, earlier. Number 8, more expensive, MORE, more. EXPENSIVE, more expensive. Now exercise number C. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives. Now you have to choose one from the bracket which is correct, right? Number 1, my house is dash to the market than yours. In the bracket, nearer and nearest is given. Here in one number, my house and yours, yani comparison of two. So we will write here nearer. Tick nearer, Nearer, nearer. Number 2, her dress is dash than mine. Her dress is dash than mine. Yani comparison of two, her dress and mine. Yani we will write here more beautiful. Her dress is more beautiful than mine. Tick the word more beautiful. Number 3, प्रभात is the dash boy in the class. प्रभात जो है पूरी क्लास में, प्रभात is dash boy in the class, tallest, because पूरी क्लास में वो टॉल है, पूरी क्लास में है, तो यानी we have to write here tallest. And the is used before dash, so it is superlative degree. In superlative degree, the is used. Number 4, Tata is the dash area in Chennai. पूरी एरिया में busiest है, पूरी एरिया में, तो here it is superlative degree, and before that the is given, so busiest, busiest. Number 5, mangoes are dash than oranges, comparison of two, mangoes and oranges, so sweeter. Tick the word sweeter, SWEETER. Number 6, this table is dash than that one, this table and that table, comparison of two, so in the bracket heavy and heavier are given. Tick the word heavier, HEAVIER. Number 7, Bala is very dash today, no comparison. बाला आज बहुत खुश है, किसी के साथ उसका कंपैरिजन नहीं दिया हुआ है, सो हैप्पी, HAPPY. Tick the word happy. Number 8, Tony is dash to animals than Pikku is. Here also it is comparison of two, Tony and Pikku, so kinder, KINDER. Tick the word kinder in the bracket. Number 9, the rose smells dash than the lily. Here comparison of rose and lily, so tick the word sweeter, SWEETER. Number 10, this shoe is dash than that one, so comparison of this shoe and that one, so tick the word cleaner in the bracket, CLEANER, cleaner. Now students, you have to write the answers of these exercises in your textbook. We will meet soon in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.